Muddy Lightning McQueen, one of the more interesting variants of the character, which is pretty evident by, it's partly his mud, but also the amount of water on him. So, shouldn't it be called Wet Lightning McQueen? Oh, okay, ah. Well, okay. Well, I don't really care what you do call him. He's muddy and wet. Okay. And now this variant of the character appeared in Cars 3 at the end of the Demolition Derby race, in which you get in which the water out of the water tanker, whatever his name is, goes all over McQueen. And, that's why he's also muddy, because he's been driving in the mud. Let's have a closer look. He's got a worried, shocked, anxious expression, which probably describes his emotions at the time. He's still with headlights, which are actual headlights, or at least in the film. And this is based on the Rusty's Racing Centre one, so of course got that Rusty logo and that metallic wrap on him. I've got Muddy Lightning McQueen, muddy exhausts, muddy tyres. Wait, hold on. I think I just noticed a mistake. I think in the film he's meant to be losing a tyre, but look at that, he's got tyres are intact, and on the other side, their tyres are still intact. I don't know. I don't get it. Probably Mattel's fault, to be honest, but even still, I like the details of how there's different mud decals on each side. It's definitely interesting. Yeah, I mean, I know you can't. I know you can't see the best, but yeah, it's pretty evident. It's definitely there. And now the roof actually isn't so bad, I think. Still got 95 and his 3 window bars. Pretty alright at the back with another diagonal Rusty's logo. He's a pretty decent car in my opinion. Have a great day, folks.